Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change date and time in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings, then go to general management, then here select date and time and turn off automatic date and time so that you can set date and time manually. Click on set date and change the date as per your wish. Here I change date to 6th February 2024. Then click on set time. Click on set time and change the timing as per your wish. Here I would like to set 5:48 AM and click on done. Now if you want to use 24-hour format, you go to use this button, use 24-hour format option. Just turn on this button, so 24 hours will be displayed. Okay, for example, if you would like to set date, here you can set like say 1848 like that. Okay, this is 24-hour format. See the changes in the home page. See the changes, date and time have been changed. If you want to update date and time automatically, then again go to the settings, then go to general management and go to date and time. Here you go to turn on automatic date and time so that date and time will be automatically applied. Okay, automatically it will be adjusted. And if you want to use 12-hour format only, then you go to turn off this button, use 24-hour format. It is turned off, so now it is in 12-hour format. See the changes. Yes, so in this way you can easily change date and time as per your wish. Also, if you would like to use automatic date and time, you can keep automatic date and time button turned on. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.